Hi guys, bradamckinnon here. Today's video I'm going to show you the best tips for patching a hole in drywall, and we're going to start off here. You can see there's timber up there already, so I'm going to try and utilize that, and I'm just going to use a piece of plasterboard I've already cut. I've just had a piece lying around there, and I'm going to hold that up and I'm going to mark around that, and that is a great tip. Instead of cutting the hole first and then measuring it and cutting it, this way you know it's going to fit. So what we're going to do is cut out the damaged bit there where we've marked it. You can see here this wall had timber battens on it and they've all been removed, so it's damaged the wall quite a bit. Some of that paper has come off the plasterboard there, so we'll be putting some fibre fuse over all these a bit later, but for the meantime we'll just repair with this old socket is not needed anymore. So we'll just cut that out with a Stanley knife, and you can see the timber there, so we're going to utilise that, and that's what we're going to fix too. Just a bit of a nail there sticking out, so we'll whack that in. Another great tip is to just trim off the edges on a little V on an angle there, just to get rid of those dangly bits. Make life easier when you do the plastering or the finishing, and just get any loose paper off there. That's how you get bubbling if you don't get all that loose stuff off. So check your piece fits, which it should. And another little tip here, we're going to put a bit of timber in there just to strengthen it. Probably don't have to, but if you want to be sure, just get whatever's lying around. I had a bit of 2x2 here, so we're just going to slot that in there, and it's a bit hard with no room, so another great tip, put a screw in it and you can hold that screw so the timber doesn't fall down inside the wall while you screw that to the drywall there. So a couple of screws in there while you're holding the timber. Then it'll just, as you screw that in, that timber will come back hard against the back of the drywall. You want to make sure also that there's no dangly bits on the inside of the drywall. That'll stop that bit of timber from sitting flush. So that's another important tip there. So we've got that screwed in. Then we're just going to screw in our new piece there. Trying to fixing one in each sort of corner. And that's it. Those are some of my great little tips there. Another one there, you can see the arrow on top of that bit of plasterboard. That just in case that bit isn't square, at least you know it's going in the right way. Hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.